So everybody wants to have progress in their life. However, progress is incremental. It is never quantum. It is never exponential. It is always incremental. So for example, if you are out for a walk and you're going to do a 1 mile or 1 kilometer walk, progress would mean at a quarter mile, at a half mile, at a 3/4 mile. It's not like progress will be when you get there. Most people in their organizations and their personal life don't see progress incrementally and hence get discouraged, hence procrastinate, hence they don't take the actions necessary to complete the entire thing because they don't see themselves making progress. The problem is, it is very difficult to see progress inside your own organization. And that is why a different set of eyes, a different set of ears, a different set of observation can help somebody say, hey, you're really making progress. Because when you're inside an ecosystem, it's hard to see the progress that you are making. So, 2 things. One is progress is incremental, never quantum. And number 2 is you will not be able to assess the progress, but somebody on the outside looking in can do that. So, those 2 mental things will allow you to invite new voices or old voices, but outside voices to help you understand and see and perceive and even translate progress that's happening in your life. You are progressing. You just may not know it yet.